Here we divide 211 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 10 means 20. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down this number beside 1. So now it became 11. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. And 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 211 divided by 2 is 105.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.